I-expect po natin na ang pagsamba natin sa Lord mas magiging malalim ngayong araw na to.
Oh, I expect that the Lord will move in a very special way today. I-amaze niya tayo sa mayaman niyang presensya, and that's all we ever needed when we worship the Lord. Yun yung gusto natin, for Him to accept our worship and to manifest His presence.
Yung pagmamahal natin sa Panginoon, mas lalalim yung pagkakaintindi natin sa pagsamba.
I'm expecting the greater presence of our living God, yung momentum ng ating 46th anniversary. I believe na where His worshipers gather together in worship, God dwells in our praises. Kaya I'm so excited for what the Lord will go into do tonight.
Sabi nga ng ating 46th anniversary, Christ is the answer. Siya ang kasagutan sa ating mga tanong. With that slogan, syempre ang pagsamba din natin as ang Diyos ang dapat sentro. Mga kasama ko sa JL Worship, expect greater things from the Lord.
And yun yung aabangan natin, yung glory ni Lord bababa sa kalagitnaan natin, and walang ibang maitatanghal kundi ang ating Panginoong Jesus. Express your love to the Lord. Express your worship, all-out worship to God, because He is indeed here. He will visit us in a very special way.
To my fellow worshipers and families sa JL Worship, I'm praying that all of us as one Worship Arts Net family will continue to be more closer to the heart of our living God, to continuously worshiping 24/7 until He comes back again.
Today is indeed a joyful celebration because as we travel 3 different worship revival in our church history, the Arroyo Revival, the Musicata Revival, and now the JL Worship Revival.
Be ready. Dahil nandito ka sa lugar na kung saan ang Diyos natin ay niluluwalhati. Ang Diyos natin ay Diyos ng himala. Can I give a clap of praise? Can I hear a clap of praise sa Diyos ng himala?
Ang purpose na itong concert na ito, itong event na ito, ay para lang sa Panginoon na maibalik sa Kanya yung malalim na pagsamba.
Marami tayong aabangan for this relaunching ng Musicata album, especially the new God Breath Spirit-led songs na ipinagkaloob sa atin, in-entrust sa atin ng Panginoon. And we're so excited kasi ito is album 1 pa lang. There is more to come.
Noon, ngayon at kailanman, si Jesus ang ating Panginoon. That is what JL Worship long to proclaim, that Jesus Christ is Lord to our music, dance, and our life.
Anong kailangan mong himala? Name it! Jesus has the solution. It makes no difference kay Jesus. Siya'y Diyos na nagkatawang tao. Patutunayan niya sa ating lahat, siya'y Diyos ng himala.
Expect po natin ang mga maraming bagay na darating pa sa JL Worship. Especially now, we are relaunching Musicata. Maraming album, maraming songbook at marami pa pong mga bagay na darating at gagawin po natin. Kaya expect more things from the Lord. Be watchful po tayo sa mga event po ng JL Worship. Magkita-kita po tayo. God bless you all.